Welcome students on this video session, on the another session of the chapter linear equation in one variable, in which we have seen about the linear equation and we have seen some example related to linear equation. Now moving further in this chapter, the next topic is variable is on both sides of equation. What will happen? How we will solve the equation when the variables occurs in both side of equation? Okay, what will happen and how we will do? Suppose let us understand it through an example. Example number 1. Suppose 5x is equal to 3x plus 18. This is an example. Suppose how we will solve when variables occurs in both sides. Till now you have seen that variables occurs either side, either this side, like if you have seen example x is equal to 7, only one side. Variables occurs in only one side. Another example 2z minus 12, z, 2z, z is a variable, it occurs in only one side. So we have seen how we will solve the equation when variables occurs in one side of equation. Now we will see how it will be solved when the variables occurs in both side of equation. Similar, the same steps should be followed in this equation also. To find the solution of this equation, we will follow the same steps what we had followed in previous example. So what we did for the previous example, we just transpose the variable in left side and constant term in right side. Similar steps will be followed in the question also. Just write all the variables in left side. Here 5x is a variable and another variable is 3x, which is in the right side. Now you have to write it in the left side. The sign will change. Here 3x is in negative positive sign. Now if it is transposed in left side, it will be converted into negative sign. And 18 is a constant which are already in the right side. Okay, 5x minus 3x, that is 1/2x is equal to 18. Now this 2 is constant and this 2 will, when it will be transposed in the right side, it will be converted into division. X is equal to 18 upon 2. 2 9s are 18. X is equal to 9. So the solution of this equation is 9. Means the value of variable is 9. You all know, I taught you that how you will check your answer. You need to put this value in this equation. When you will get LHS is equal to RHS, then your answer will be correct. Okay. So in this way, we will solve the questions. We will solve the equation. We will find the solution of the equation when variables occurs in both sides. You just transpose all the variables in left side and constant on the right side with changing their sign. Okay, and follow the steps. Okay. Now this is a one type of example. Let us see another example. You must write all this example in your notebook so that it will be helpful for you while solving the questions in the exercise. Now let us see another example. Suppose 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. Here there are two variables, this and this. The variable are on the left side as well as on the right side. Now take all the variables on the similar side, means by transposition just transpose all the variables on single side. Here 5x, 3x is in positive. After transposition it will be in negative. Minus 5, this minus 3 is transposed plus 3 in the form of positive, because when side is same, the sign is also changed. 5x minus 3x, you will get 2x. Minus 5 plus 3, what you will get? Minus 2. X is equal to minus 2, and this 2 is, when it will be transposed, it will be divide 1, x is equal to minus 1. So here solution of this equation is minus 1. Solution of this equation is minus 1. You can easily check by putting the value of x in this equation. You can check your answer. If you will get LHS and RHS both are equal, in this case your solution is correct. Okay, this is an example. Another example, you can write it. If you will see the another type of example, like another example is x is equal to 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 x plus x plus 2. This is another example. So here variable terms is also on the right side and also on the left side. First, break it into the simpler equation, simple linear equation. This is in the fraction and as well as in the bracket form. Convert it into the simple equation by breaking the bracket first. Okay, so convert it into the simple. Break the bracket. 1 by 4 is multiplied by x plus 1 by 4 is multiplied by 10. When you break the bracket, you will have to multiply both the terms by the bracket. Okay, 1 by 4 into x, this plus 1 by 4 into 10. Okay, now x is equal to, this is x upon 4 plus this is 5 upon 2. Okay, take the all, now take the all the variables, take all the variables in single side. X by 4 is in positive form, it will be converted into negative sign when transposed in the left side. Is equal to 5. For the LCM, 4x minus x, that is equal to 5 by 2. 4x minus x, that is equal to 3x upon 4 is equal to 5 by 2. Now single term in LHS, single term in RHS, what you will do? You just cross multiply. When you will 3x 2, when you will multiply 3x into 2, 3x into 2, that is equal to 4 into 5. 4 into 5. Okay. Next step I will written here. When you will multiply 3x into 2, you will get 6x. 4 into 5, 20. So x is equal to 20 upon 6, because it is in division form. When it is transposed, it will be in division form. It is in multiplication form. When it will be transposed, it is in division form. Okay. 20 upon 6. 2 3 is 6. 2 10 is 20. 10 upon 3. So the solution of this equation is 10 upon 3. 10 upon 3. First, you need to break the bracket. You need to convert it into the simple equation form. So how it will be converted? You just break the bracket. You need to break the bracket and then proceed the same steps what you have followed in the previous questions. Okay. Okay. Now, on the basis of this example, you can solve all the questions of exercise 2.3. 7 and 8 questions are there in your textbook. Exercise 2.3. You can solve all the questions. Exercise 2.3. Solve all the questions in your notebook. Okay? Now we will see some examples, some application based questions on the topics, same topics, when variables occurs on both sides. We have seen application based question means word problems when variables occurs in either side, either in the left side, either in the right side. But now we are going to solve some questions in which variables occurs on both sides, but it is a language question, it is a word problem. Okay, see question number 1 of exercise 2.4. Question number 1, it says that Amina thinks a number. Listen, see question number 1 of exercise 2.4. Amina thinks a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. Okay, Amina thinks a number and subtract. Try to read the question. First read the question and try to understand it. Okay, Amina thinks a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplied the result by 8. Okay, she thinks a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it and multiplies the result. Okay, so let question number 1, let the number be x. What Amina thinks about the number. Suppose she can think any number. We don't know what she thinks. Okay, but we can suppose what she thinks. Let us suppose she thinks a number that is equal to x. Now according to question, what she thinks? She subtract 5 by 2 from it. What she thinks, she subtract 5 by 2 from it. Okay. You will, and she got this number when it will be multiplied. And the result will be multiplied by 8. The result now she obtained is 3 times the same number she thought. Now the question is that Amina thinks a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. Okay, Amina thinks a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it, and here subtract 5 by 2 from it and multiply the result by 8. Now she obtained a result which is 3 times the number what she thought. 3 times the number. She thought a number x and 3 times of a number, that is 3x. So this will be your equation. Now you can solve. So first try to read the question and accordingly, step by step, follow the steps of the question, and accordingly you will proceed. First line of the question says that Amina thinks a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. You also don't know. I also don't know about what she thinks. About the number what she thinks. So we will let the number be x. Okay. Now according to question, when she subtract 5 by 2 from it, what she thought, when you subtract 5 by 2 from it, you will get this x minus 5 by 2. Okay. Suppose she thinks a number a. Okay. Now according to question, if she subtract 5 by 2 from it, so 8 minus 5 by 2, you will written like this. Similarly, if we will take she thinks x, we will write x minus 5 by 2. Now when it will be multiplied by 8, you will get a result which is 3 times the number what she thought. She thought x, the 3 times of x is 3x. Now just break the bracket, that is x at x minus 8 into 5 by 2, that is equal to 3x. 8x minus 20 sorry is equal to 3x. Okay, when you will cut it, 2 4 are 8, 5 4 are 20. Okay, 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. When you will cut it, 4 into 5, 20, 3x. Now, two sides, both the sides variable occur. That is why you will have to transpose both the variable into the same side. Means 8x, this 3x transpose into left side, that is 3x. Sorry, this is in the positive, it will be in negative when transpose after transpose. Okay. Now this minus 20 is in left side, when it will be in the right side, when by transposition it will be change its sign. 20 8x minus 3x, what will we get? 5x is equal to 20. Now x is equal to 20 upon 5. We will get 4. So x is equal to what? 4. So what? She thought a number that is equal to 4. That is equal to 4. She thought a number that is equal to 4. Okay. She thought a number that is equal to 4. You can check it by putting the value of x in this equation. When the value of both sides are equal, then your answer is correct. Okay. Similar, the very simple way to solve the word problem is to just read the question first, then try to solve. Okay. So in this way you can solve. First try to read the question. So in this way you can solve all the questions of the next exercise. Okay. All the questions are word problem. You just try to read the questions and then solve step by step. Follow the steps. What is given in the question and what you need to find out. You just try to understand. If you can't understand after reading the first time of the question, read it again. Read it again. When you will read the question 1 or 2 times, you can understand 75% of the question. What you have to do. Okay. So similar exercise 2.4. You can solve all the questions through this. By using this example, you can solve. Now moving towards the another section, means another part. Similar, it's the same process you should follow in all the exercise. You just follow the step. You just convert the step to convert the equation into the simpler form and then proceed the solution. Now another type of question, and we ask to you next exercise x upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 1 upon 5. That is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. This is also another example. Here variables is on both sides. Okay. So convert, transpose all the variables in the same side. Okay. X by 2. Here this is x by 3 is in positive. X by 3 is in negative. When it will transpose into the left side, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 is in negative, it will be positive 1 by 5. Okay. You just take the LCM. When you will get the LCM, it will be 6. 3x minus 2x, it will be 20. 5 plus 4. 3x minus 2x, x is equal to x by 6. 5 plus 4, 9 by 20. Cross multiply. When you will get the single term in left side and single term in right side, you just cross multiply. So x by 6, 6 into 9, x into 20, 20 into x, 6 into 9. 20 into x is equal to 20x, 54. X is equal to 54 upon 20. So you will convert it. 2 10 ja 20, 2 7 ja 2 27 ja 24. 27 upon 10. So x is equal to 27 upon 10. X is equal to 27 upon 10. This will be the solution of this equation. The same step you have to follow in all the questions of all the exercise. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. The same step you have to follow. You just transpose all the variables in single side and all the constant in the other side and solve the questions according to the rule. Now, another type of example we will see. We will see another type of example. Like x minus 5 upon 3, that is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. This is another type of example. All these examples are linear equation. All these examples are of linear equation because variables are in the highest power of 1. Now, single term, there is a single term in left side, single term in right side. Just cross multiplied it. When you will cross multiply 5 into x minus 5, 5 into x minus 5 and 3 into x minus 5. When you will cross multiply, you multiply all the numerator part with denominator part of the left and right, all the denominator part and all the numerator part of left and right. Okay. So 5 into all the part x minus 5, 3 into all the part x minus 5. Okay. Now break the bracket. 5 into x minus 5 into 5. 3 into x minus 3 into 2. Okay. 5 into x, 5x. 5 into 5, 25. 3 into 3, 9. Sorry, this is x. 3 into x, 3x. And 3 into 3, 9. Okay. This is in the simple equation. This is in the simple linear equation. Now convert, transpose all the variables in the same side. It is LHS part. 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 25. After transposition, it becomes 25 minus 9. Okay. 5x minus 3x, you will get 2x. 25 minus 9, you will get 16. X is equal to 16 upon 2. X is equal to, when you will cut it, you will get 8. I hope all you can understand. Very first step, you just, if it will be in bracket, you just break the bracket. If it will be in a single term in both sides, fraction form, you just cross multiply it. You all know that when single term in left side, single term in right side, you need to cross multiply. You have to follow the cross multiply method. Okay. When you will cross multiply, you need to multiply all term of the denominator and numerator. Denominator and numerator. Okay. It will be in the same in this form after cross multiplication. Now you need to break the bracket. When you will break the bracket, you will get this step. After that, transposition. Very easy process, very easy method. Transposition. Transposition means put all the variables in the left side and all the constant term in the right side. Okay. Now, let us see another example. These questions are belongs to your exercise question. I am solving some questions related to your exercise. You need to solve all the questions of exercise. Okay, you need to solve all the questions. I am solving the questions, few questions of your exercise. You need to solve all the questions. When you will solve, if you have any doubt, you can ask in discussion method. Sorry, in discussion session. Next question is 3 into t minus 3. This is t. 3 into t minus 3, that is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. Very easy question. This is also the question of your exercise and very easy question. You can solve it. Those who can understand what will be the process, you can understand it. Okay. Those who have understand all the questions, previous example, those can solve these questions very easily. What we have to do, we just break the bracket first. 3 into t minus 3 into 3, 5 into 2t. We have 2t is first term plus 5 into 1. Okay. Bracket has been break. 3 into 2, 3. 3t minus 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 2t, 10t plus 5. Now this will be in a simple linear equation. Transpose it means put all the variables in the same side. 3t minus 10t. This 10 is in positive form. After transposition, it will be in negative form. Minus 9. 9 plus 5. 9 is in negative form. After transposition, it will be in positive form. 3t minus 10t. 3 minus 10 minus 7. 9 5 48. This t is equal to minus 7. 14 upon minus 7 2. What you will get? T is equal to minus t is equal to minus 2. This will be your solution. Okay. You just first break the bracket. In previous example, we have seen fraction is equal to fraction. Single term. When you will get a single term, you just cross multiply method. You just follow the cross multiply method. If you will get the example this like this, means terms are in bracket, you just need to break the bracket first. Okay, then you can proceed to the solution. After breaking the bracket, you will get this step. After this step, you need to put all the variables in the left side after changing the sign. You should keep these things in your mind, that you need to change the sign also during transposition. When you will transpose the term from one side to other side, you need to change the sign also. Okay, you need to change the sign also. So keep this thing in your mind. Okay, now, so this is the form, this is the process which you can solve. Now let us see another example. This is very easy example also. All the questions can be solved. I have given number of examples related to this chapter. All examples are almost same. All questions are almost same. You just need to keep your eyes on the questions. No any questions are hard. Every questions are easy in this question, in this exercise. Like 8x minus 3 upon 2x is equal to 2. Single term, you just cross multiply it. 8x minus 3. There is nothing but 1 is also, 1 is there. When 1 is multiplied by 8x minus 3, 8x minus 3, 2x into 2, 2x into 2. 8x minus 3 is equal to 4x. 8x minus 4x minus 3 plus 3. 8x minus 4x, 4x, 3. x is equal to 3 upon 4 after transposition. Okay, so these types of questions you can solve easily. I hope you can understand, you are able to understand. I have given the number of examples. All the examples are almost same, all the questions, all the solution steps are almost same. You need to just keep your eyes, you need to keep your concentration while solving the question. Okay, word problem question, you need to first read and understand, then write whatever given and whatever you need to find. Okay, I hope you all can understand this session. So solve all the exercise from 2.1 to 2.5. Okay, thank you for watching.